Vivek wanted to change his look on his engagement day. He was guided to Headz by his fiancee herself. We explained about fixing hair so naturally, without surgeries and side effects to him. Headz consultant himself was using a hair system, and that really surprised him on the naturality. As Vivek's friend had a very bad experience with a surgical hair transplant, Vivek wisely chose the safest option with the #1 non-surgical hair fixing company in India, UAE, Kuwait and London. The trained technician from Headz and the unmatched hair quality made the best result for Vivek. At Headz, we use dermatologically tested products which keeps your skin safe and healthy. We at Headz makes a promise, keeps the promise, and be with you forever.